5 handles is easy. 5 handles replaces your fucking job. I don't care what you make. You can be a surgeon. I have them. 5 handles, you can make more than that surgeon earns in a year. All the heavy lifting is done by money management. You just need to have the cookie cutter that repeats over and over and over again. This thing that you keep doing, that's your multiplier. 5 handles right now is easy for you to learn to do. It's not easy when you first start. But if you look at these price ranges in the morning session and the afternoon session, there's several 5 handle runs in there. Easy ones. The problem is you want more right now. You're holding yourself to an expectation that you are not realistically going to meet. And then you're wondering why you're depressed and anxious. You're feeling rushed. You're weighing yourself against what you think you should know by now. And that's bullshit. It's only been 1 week. 1 week. And you think you're supposed to quit your job and be able to double your fucking account in a month. That's not practical, man or lady. It's not something that you should be aspiring to do right now. Can you do that and eventually over time? Sure, you can. Absolutely. Let it be a goal that you work towards, but you have to place time and experience and invite the opportunity for that experience to come in and build before you take on those monumental projects and goals for yourself. But the first thing you're trying to learn how to do now is find the setups that repeat. And then once you find that one that repeats, you will learn how to trust it because you see it happening every day. Every day it'll be there. I promise you. Scouts Honor, you will see a fucking 5 handle run every day. Every day. Every fucking day. If that market's open, 5 fucking handles is laid in front of you every single day on a silver platter. You just can't identify it right now. And that's absolutely normal. That's normal. There's no reason to be anxious about that. But at some point, you may be forced to make changes in your personal life to be able to do this. I did. I had to. I had to work 2 part-time jobs to get the difference between what I was earning at my full-time job. It's a lot. One job was across town. One was real close to my home. One paid next to nothing, but those hours were permissible because of the times I'm trying to trade. And I was trying to do that morning session with the bond market. That's what I was trying to trade. That was the thing that I was working towards. And I had to give up, my job so I could be in front of the chart to do that. It's scary, yes. But I didn't do it blindly. I said, I'm going to do this now because I have all this back testing. I have all this forward testing. I have the data to support the fact that I know I can make $1,000 a week in bonds. And I don't need to trade every single day. I'm looking for that one trade for that 1 week. I'm teaching you how to see this every day. That builds confidence real quick, but not to inspire overconfidence. Not, I'm quitting my fucking job tomorrow, man. I'm ready. You got me all hyped up now. No, I'm aligning your perspective and aligning your thoughts with what it is I'm trying to put you through. So that way the experience itself will be the educator. I'm just the coach. I'm putting you in front of the charts when the setups are going to form, trusting that your observation skills, which are hopefully menial, if you can read, okay, and if you can observe, you'll see it. It'll be there. It'll jump off the chart. Right now, it probably doesn't jump off the chart. I mean, you can see where I'm annotating the charts in the morning session. You can see what I've annotated in the afternoon. Those annotations were real time. They're not added after the fact. So when I talk about what the charts are likely to do, what the next candles and what series of candles and what it should perform, going higher or lower, don't go lower than this, go here, stop, maybe retrace and consolidate and go up here next or go down here next. All of that is experience. That part comes to you over time. How much time? You're all going to learn that differently. Some of you are going to warm up to it real fast and get a feel for reading order flow quick. And some of you are going to require a little bit more time. Do not fault yourself for that. Chances are you're probably just worrying about things and what if thinking. What if I don't get this as soon as I want to? What if, you know, I lose my job now? And I wasn't worried about that. Now fucking ICT is giving me a complex.